Hi, my name is Nikhil and this is Showdown, a 15-112 term project for the spring 2016 semester. So if you click on the instructions, you see that the goal of the game is to eliminate all players from the opposing team. So you have two teams and players from one team are on one side of the map and players of the opposing team are on the other side of the map. And what you have to do is basically maneuver across the map and eliminate all players from the other team. You can see that every player has a fixed amount of health, so you have to basically reduce that, and you can choose the number of players and map background. Um, and The turns alternate between two teams, and every time it's your team's turn, you can only control one player, and that player is chosen by you. And you have uh, the option of using weapons such as guns and grenades to inflict damage on the other team's players. So let's start. I have a background which I can change. Let's take the desert for now. I can change the number of players on each team, up or down. Let's make it 2. And let's play on the default map. So what I can do is I can enter the names of the players. This is an optional step. So I'm going to make this one Nikhil, and let's just make this Bob, and let's leave the other two as player 1 from the opposing team or the right side team and player 2 of the left side team don't have names, so they just get the default name. And you start the game. You see that the players are in randomly generated positions. It's not a fixed position, so every time I play this, you can start off in different positions. And now it's team 1's turn, so say I want to control player 2. So I press 2 and now I can move. You can see there's a distance bar over here which changes as I move, and as I said, you have a fixed amount of distance. So say on jump, and the thing about jumping is you can move slightly more than the fixed amount of distance that you want, um, which is why it needs to be used strategically. And now I've reached the maximum amount of distance I can move, so let's say I want to shoot a player. So I press 2, and now I can change the angle of the gun. So let's say I want to shoot Bob. I press N to shoot, and the bullet goes, and Bob loses some health. Let's have Bob extract some revenge, except in a different way. So I press 2, it's Bob's turn. Say I want to move a bit, but not too much, and you'll see why, hopefully. So I press 5 to stay, 3 for the grenade, and now I want to get my revenge on player 2. So I think a large throw may be good for this, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. So I press 3, the grenade goes. Oh, this is. Oh, what a throw, Bob. And player 2 loses some health. So this is the basic goal of the game. I move Nikhil this time. And I have the gun, so I press 2, go up. Let's shoot Bob again. So the bullet goes, and Bob loses more health. So Bob can do the same exact thing. So I press 2. I don't want to move, so I press 5. 3 for the grenade, and 3 again for the large throw. And it's exactly where it was the last time, and player 2 loses more health. So this is how you play. If you lose all your health, you're dead. And if all the members of your team are dead, then you lose the game. So let's say I want to move Nikhil, and now he's dead. So team 1 has only one player. And this is the game. So you can change the background. So say I want the waterfall background. I just go and I play. And you're in a waterfall background. Night sky background. Night sky background. Now, this is a cool feature of this game, is creating your map. And you can create the map, your own map, rather than play on the default map. So say I have grass plus soil over here. Click grass plus soil over here. I want grass plus soil again in the middle. And let's choose a staircase over here, solid block over here, small floating block here, large floating block here, and let's have another large floating block over here. And if you start the game, this is exactly what is created. You have 3 players, randomly generated locations. The obstacles are exactly where you place them, and now you can play according to your own map. So yep, this is my term project, Sticky Showdown. Thank you.